agreements to normalize diplomatic ties with the UAE and Bahrain at the White House. Microsoft founder Bill Gates' father William died yesterday at his beach home on Hood Canal in Washington. Yoshihide Suga has been elected as the new Prime Minister of Japan. Turkish police detain 106 over alleged Gulen links. UK repatriates British children from Syria. Saudi Arabia reiterates support to enable Palestinians to establish an independent state. Kurds again under threats of clampdown in Turkey. Yemeni government renews commitment of lasting peace, slams Houthis for undermining process. In Libya, at least 24 migrants have died when a boat sank on the Mediterranean Sea. Coronavirus infection in India soared past 5 million today.